Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Emmanuel Picro the third from UCC Gen 3, and the age I received the boxes was 12 to 30 years old. And the feelings or experience when I received the box is, of course, I was happy to receive God's gift. And for number three, what have you learned from the discipline lesson? So, for short answer, the lesson for me was that God really answered our prayer. And how are you right now? What ministry do you have in your church? So the ministry I have, of course, I'm an officer in Sunday school, also part of the media and choir. That also helps me to grow and to know about more God. And to the Thanksgiving, I want also to thanks my friends and family to grow and to learn more about Jesus. That's all.
Oh,
Thank you.